Being in the right mental space is just as important for making money in the markets as any fancy chart or strategy. Becoming a successful trader means you really need to keep your emotions in check, manage your risks wisely, and be super disciplined. The good news is there are tons of awesome books out there that can teach you all about trading psychology and having the right trading mindset. These books are packed with insights and tricks to help you stay calm and focused, even when the market is going crazy. In this video, we're gonna break down the top 5 trading psychology books that every trader and/or investor should have on their bookshelf or audiobook library. Number 1. Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Imagine trading like a seasoned athlete, calm, focused, and trusting your instincts. That's the kind of mindset Mark Douglas aims to cultivate in his book, Trading in the Zone. Forget fancy charts and market predictions for a second. This book dives deep into the real challenge, your own head. Douglas argues that success in trading isn't just about picking the right stocks or currencies. It's about mastering the mental game. He talks about the fear of losing that can cloud your judgment, the need to be right that leads to stubborn mistakes, and even the sneaky allure of revenge trading after a bad call. Sound familiar? We all have these mental roadblocks, and Douglas exposes them for what they are: obstacles to consistent profits. But fear not, this book isn't just a downer on our bad habits. Douglas is all about providing solutions. He equips you with practical exercises to build discipline, patience, and that all-important winning attitude. Think of it like mental training for traders. You'll learn to reframe losses as learning experiences, develop a healthy detachment from outcomes, and most importantly, trust your trading system, assuming you have a good one. Through real-life stories of traders who've conquered their inner demons and those who haven't, Mark Douglas makes his message relatable. It's like having a wise mentor guide you through the emotional roller coaster of the markets. Trading in the Zone is a timeless classic because it focuses on the one constant in this ever-changing game: you. By mastering your mind, you can finally unlock your true trading potential. 2. The Psychology of Trading by Brett N. Steenbarger. Brett N. Steenbarger's The Psychology of Trading is like a beacon guiding traders through the tumultuous waters of the financial markets. With the wisdom of a seasoned psychologist and the insight of a seasoned trader, Steenbarger delves deep into the intricate workings of the human mind within the context of trading. Through his extensive interactions with traders of all levels, he has distilled his knowledge into a treasure trove of actionable strategies and profound insights. One of the cornerstone principles of Steenbarger's approach is the cultivation of self-awareness. He emphasizes the importance of understanding one's own thought processes, biases, and emotional responses when making trading decisions. By shining a light on our own psychological tendencies, we become better equipped to navigate the challenges of the market with clarity and purpose. But self-awareness is just the beginning. Steenbarger also delves into the realm of emotions, recognizing that they play a pivotal role in the world of trading. Fear, greed, euphoria. These are just some of the powerful forces that can influence our actions in the market. Through practical techniques and exercises, Steenbarger's The Psychology of Trading book teaches how to harness these emotions rather than be controlled by them. He also provides a roadmap for optimizing performance, both in terms of individual trades and long-term success. The Psychology of Trading is more than just a book. It's a lifeline for traders navigating the unpredictable waters of the financial markets. For anyone seeking to unlock their full potential in the market, Steenbarger's insights serve as an invaluable resource, guiding them towards success with wisdom, empathy, and expertise. 3. Market Wizards by Jack D. Schwager. Think about getting a chance to sit down and chat with some of the trading world's biggest rock stars, folks who have consistently turned profits and built massive fortunes. That's exactly what Jack D. Schwager's book, Market Wizards, offers. While not solely focused on trading psychology, Market Wizards offers unparalleled insights. It delves into the world of trading strategies and whatnot, but the real gold lies in understanding how these superstars think. Schwager doesn't just throw random charts and technical jargon at you. He gets right down to the nitty-gritty, interviewing legends like Paul Tudor Jones, Bruce Kovner, and Ed Seykota. By hearing their stories, their successes and failures, you get a glimpse into the unique psychology that has made them masters of the market. Think of it like this: you're not just learning some fancy trading trick. You're getting a front-row seat to the mindset of winners. How do they handle the pressure? What keeps them cool when the market throws curveballs? What strategies do they use to stay disciplined and avoid emotional meltdowns? These are the invaluable lessons you can glean from market wizards. It's like having a masterclass in trading psychology, taught by the very best in the business. 4. Best Loser Wins by Tom Hugard. Tom Hugard's Best Loser Wins presents a revolutionary perspective in the world of trading, challenging the conventional wisdom that success is solely defined by winning trades. Instead, he shines a spotlight on the often overlooked skill of managing losses effectively. While many traders obsessively chase victories, Hugard's paradigm shift urges readers to embrace losses as invaluable opportunities for growth and improvement. In this groundbreaking book, readers are invited to reframe their relationship with failure, understanding it not as a defeat, but as a crucial stepping stone on the path to success. Hugard equips readers with practical strategies for minimizing losses and maximizing learning from them. Through his insights, you will learn to analyze mistakes with clarity and objectivity, extracting valuable lessons that can inform future decision-making. By adopting this proactive approach to failure, traders not only mitigate risks but also enhance their overall trading performance. Moreover, Best Loser Wins delves into the psychological aspects of trading, emphasizing the importance of maintaining a clear and focused mindset. Ultimately, Hugard's book offers much more than just a set of trading techniques. It provides a profound shift in perspective that has the potential to transform traders' relationship with failure and success. Number 5. The Inner Game of Trading by Robert Koppel and Howard Abel. The Inner Game of Trading is like a deep dive into the human psyche within the context of trading, drawing inspiration from Timothy Galway's renowned Inner Game series. But instead of tennis or golf, this book takes the principles of mental mastery and applies them directly to the high-stakes world of trading. At its core, the book champions the idea that success in trading is not just about mastering charts and algorithms, but about mastering oneself. It's about conquering the inner demons that can damage our decision-making process and hinder our performance in the market. Koppel and Abel emphasize the importance of developing focus, the ability to tune out distractions and stay present in the moment. Because as traders, we are in a world filled with noise and volatility, where the skill is invaluable, allowing to make clear-headed decisions even in the midst of chaos. Confidence is another key pillar of the inner game of trading. It's not just about believing in your ability to pick winning trades, but also about having faith in your own judgment and resilience in the face of adversity. Through practical exercises and real-world examples, the authors guide readers towards cultivating the unwavering self-assurance needed to thrive in the competitive world of trading. But perhaps most importantly, the Inner Game of Trading emphasizes the importance of mental clarity. In a profession where split-second decisions can make or break fortunes, a cluttered mind can be a trader's worst enemy. The book offers techniques for quieting the noise of doubt and uncertainty, allowing traders to approach the market with a sense of calm and clarity. This book isn't just about theory, it's about practical application. Through a series of exercises and anecdotes, Koppel and Abel empower readers to put these principles into action, helping them overcome psychological barriers and unlock their full potential in the market. The Inner Game of Trading is a roadmap for mastering the most important game of all, the game within ourselves. Don't underestimate the power of these trading psychology books. They're packed with valuable insights from experienced traders and psychologists who understand how our minds react to financial situations. These aren't just dry textbooks. They offer practical strategies and hard-won lessons, It's like having a wise mentor guiding you towards success. By studying these books and applying their knowledge, you'll be training your mind and emotions for the trading battlefield. You'll build a strong mental foundation, staying calm under pressure and making sound decisions even in volatile markets. Trading can be challenging, and it's easy to get lost. But learning from the experiences of others can give you a huge advantage. In addition to these books, consider checking out my video where I share my own trading journey. It might be just the help you need. You'll develop the skills you need to navigate the market, manage risk effectively, and stay disciplined.